let's talk about the nutrient reasons for cold intolerance. So there's a lot of people that have cold sensitivity and they're always cold. So let's go into the nutrition connection. First one is if you are deficient in iodine, selenium, or zinc. All three of these trace minerals are intimately involved in supporting thyroid function. Iodine is needed as part of the thyroid hormone itself. So when you have like T4 or T3, the 3 and the 4 represent the number of iodine molecules as a part of that hormone. Selenium is needed in an essential way to convert the inactive thyroid hormone to the active thyroid hormone, which is T3. So we need selenium to do this conversion. We also need zinc to convert as well. And so if you're deficient in either one of these trace minerals, that could be one reason why you're cold. All right, number 2, low iron, as in anemia. Or it could be also anemia coming from low B12. People that have anemia are cold. And so the best source of iron would be not spinach, but red meat, okay? And by the way, the best source of these trace minerals are in shellfish. Now, iron is also needed in the metabolism of brown fat, which, by the way, has a primary function of thermoregulation. Interesting. Number 3, if you have Raynaud's syndrome, where your fingers literally get blue when you come in contact with cold, that could stem from a vitamin B1 deficiency, because vitamin B1 is involved in the autonomic nervous system, which helps to push blood through the body. And so if you have Raynaud's syndrome, definitely take B1, and another vitamin that will also help this condition called inositol hexanocotinate. All right, number 4, insulin resistance, okay? If you're on keto, if you're doing intermittent fasting, and you're finding you get cold, chances are you're just not fat adapted yet. Why? Because you have an underlying insulin resistance situation, which could take months to correct. Chromium is probably one of the most important trace minerals to help keep insulin sensitive. And so if you're deficient in chromium, then insulin is not going to be sensitive, so you're going to have resistance to insulin, and you're going to have a difficult time adapting to burning more fat. So chromium, a very important trace mineral to help with this right here. Now, at the cellular level, when we're talking about the mitochondria, where the energy is being produced, you have this little factory, and you have this chemical pathway called the Krebs cycle. And if you took biochemistry, you know what I'm talking about. Almost every chemical change that occurs in that cycle of generating energy involves the B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6. So if you're deficient in the B vitamins, you're going to have a difficult time making cellular energy because the mitochondria can't work. And so taking these through nutritional yeast can definitely increase your overall energy as well as your warmth of your body. All right, so there's other reasons for being cold, but these mainly are related to the nutrient connection. Thanks for watching.